As the economy continues to struggle, sadly, we're also seeing an increase in domestic violence cases. And here to discuss that with us is Steve Davidson of the Summit Defense Law Group. Hi, Steve.
Hi, Vicki. Thanks for having me.
So explain, why are we seeing that correlation?
We're definitely seeing a spike in domestic violence cases. And it's got a lot to do with the type of domestic violence that people don't always think of, called situational couple violence. When people think of domestic violence, they often think of a controlling, abusive husband. What's more common in our practice is when there isn't that history, but disagreements, conflict escalates to violence, and it could be the man or the woman. And because people are under a lot of financial strain right now, we're seeing a lot more of that.
So it's really the stress of being out of a job, you know, your house, you're underwater, and so who do you take it out on, right?
Well, that's part of the problem, and people are under enormous pressure, and it's happening more and more, and as you know, we're well known for defending these cases, and a lot of our clients have never been in trouble before. Very stable relationships without any incidents of violence, but this economy is unprecedented.
Okay, but then so you've got someone who's never been in trouble with the law. They are now charged with domestic violence. What happens? They're now part of the system, right?
Well, it's crucial that everything possible is done to keep it off your record, and there are things that can be done. It's tough enough to get a job without a criminal conviction. The stigma of a criminal record puts more pressure on families.
Okay, so the best thing to do, obviously, find a lawyer. Don't let it stick to your record. Are the courts sympathetic? Yes or no?
Frankly, no.
Really?
No, and that's why it's very important to have representation in these cases.
All right, thank you very much, Steve Davidson.